What's the meaning of balletic? Balletic. Balletic.
Balletic. Balletic. The term balletic refers to movements or performances that are graceful, fluid, and elegant, like those of a ballet dancer. This adjective is often used to describe anything that resembles or embodies the beauty and finesse of ballet, such as the movements of a figure skater on ice or the style of a fashion designer's clothing line. The word derives from ballet, a form of dance that originated in 15th century Italy and has since evolved into a highly technical and artistic dance form performed around the world. In essence, balletic describes any movement or performance that possesses the same grace and beauty as ballet.